I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series. This one we have the RYOBI USB Lithium Compact LED Flashlight kit. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while now, and thought it'd be very handy for what I would use it for. So let's go over what the packaging says it has. This is part number FVL51K, 600 lumens, 3 settings. It is moisture resistant. Compact LED flashlight kit, USB rechargeable. There we go on the back. So I have a knife here. Let's go ahead and cut this thing open. See what comes in this kit. There we go. I have one of those RYOBI package cutters for opening things like this, but it's way down there in the shop, and I'm way up here on the back porch. Well, I said way down there in the shop. It's not that far away. It's only like 40 yards or so. Here we go. Here's the power cord. Here's the battery. Paperwork, and the tool itself. Now, first we're going to look at this battery. There are 2 different type 2 amp batteries. This is the older version. The newer version has a connector on it where you can charge up your phone or other small device. Pretty basic. You can see how big it is. That's to my hand. It's about as long as my middle finger. About as big as round as a small hot dog. Okay, here's the Type C. Let me make sure of that. Yes, it is a Type C charging cord. Now, I recently bought a new tool that still contained the Type micro USB, which is so outdated nowadays. Type C is so much better, so much easier to use. Let's see, how long is this? I think it says this is 18 or 19 inches long. Put that aside. Here's the paperwork. Yeah, we're not going to read that. Put that aside. Here's the tool itself. Got a pocket clip, on and off switch. It does have 3 settings. Nice comfortable size there. Here's where you put the battery in. And it just slides in like that. But this one's not charged. I have a charged one in my pocket. So we're going to put that one in there. Close that one up. It's a high and a low and an off. Not heavy at all. Very, very comfortable to wear. Nice rubber molded over grip. It might be a little bulky in your shirt pocket, but overall, I like it. Like I said, I've been wanting one of these for a while. Finally saw one at the store. Decided I better pick one up while they're on sale. So, I'm going to look at this at night and see how it looks, and get some more first view reaction from this. Okay, here we are on the side of my home. The light's off, all it's dark out here, and here's the flashlight going up this tree right here. There's my little workshop over here on the left. Down here is my old picnic table, shining up into the trees. There we go. Let's see what's up here in this tree. Here we go, going down to the base. If I can get the flashlight and the camera to work together. There we go. This is on high. There we go, coming back this way. So, this thing is pretty good. Got no issues with this at all, this flashlight. Happy with it. It's going to do what I need it to do. And that's all I can ask for. This is on high, so let me see if I can find the button to switch it to low. Off, high, low, off, high. Okay, there's a tree, high, off. There we go. Low, off, high, low, and off. Anyway, this is going to do what I need it to do. So here's my truck over there. Got a street light up there, so that's not going to help us out a whole lot. Let's go to this tree right here. There we go. You see the brightness down there? So I think this is going to be good for me. Okay. We look at that. I'm impressed with it. I like it. 600 lumens. Should be plenty enough for what I need it for. Plenty enough for what I need it for. Let's see, how long does it say that this battery will last? Writing so small, can't even read it. I have to get my magnifier for that. Sorry about that, folks. But yeah, I do like this. I saw a video months ago that was highlighting these flashlights, talking about when they're going to come out. And one of those special people that gets free tools. Now mine was not free, it was not shipped to me for free from RYOBI or Home Depot or TTI. I did have to purchase it myself. So that's my honest review. My review would be the same if they gave it to me for free. So, my name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.